Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today we are going to learn in chapter 26 articles A and N usage. What are A and N? A and N are indefinite articles. Let's move on to the next page here. Now they are used when talking about one single non-specific item, something not known exactly or not mentioned before. Use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. Use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Now focus on the sound, not spelling. Using A. Use A before words starting with a consonant sound. Example sentences. I saw a dog in the park. He has a car. He wants to buy a book. There is a university nearby. He is a teacher. We need a cup of tea. He found a job last week. I met a friend yesterday. They live in a house near the lake. He bought a camera for his trip. Using N. Use N before word starting with a vowel sound. Now see vowel sound, not with vowel letter. Example sentences. He ate an apple. He is an engineer. I saw an eagle flying. They need an umbrella because it's raining. He waited for an hour. She has an idea to solve the problem. We drank an orange juice. I found an old book in the library. He is an honest man. They want an invitation to the party. Comparing A and N, this table here. I have a cat. She saw an elephant. They live in a house. He waited for an hour. She goes to a university. I want an ice cream. He is a user of this app. Don't use A before vowel sounds. I saw a apple. This is incorrect. I saw an apple. This is correct. Don't use N before consonant sounds. She has an car. This is incorrect. Correct is she has a car. Remember that the choice depends on the sound, not the first letter. A university. An hour. Here you have the examples. Thank you. See you in the next chapter.